Now we are moving to the HFease400. This is our universal type, that means the general operating table. Here is the HFease400 without accessories. And now I'm showing you the positions. Here is the control panel. And when you want to use the control panel to control the positions, first the power is on. This is for the AC power, and here is the indicator for the battery. And if you want to control the operating table by the remote controller, first of all press the button on, then the whole remote controller is on. Here is the button up and down. Now we are arriving at the highest height. So here is the button going down. Okay, this is the left turning and the right turning. And here is the Trendelenburg and the reverse Trendelenburg. Here we are going to show you the Trendelenburger first. Okay, now reverse Trendelenburger. So after you finish the operation, you should adjust it back to the horizontal position. And here is the button to adjust the angle of the back plate. That is for this part. And when you adjust each part, you should pay attention to the interference of other parts with the part you adjusted. Okay. After the position control, I'm going to show you the installation of the accessories. First of all, we adjust it at a proper height. That would be easier for you to install the accessories. And you can just hang the remote controller by the side rail. And first of all, as you can see, the head plate and the leg plates are already on. And here, first of all, let me show you about the installation and the detach of the head plate. Okay. The detail is about a screw beneath the tabletop. Here is the screw you need to loose before you detach the head plate. And another one. During your maintenance, you should make sure it is very smooth. Okay. Now the head plate is off. And when you want to put it back, just point the pillar at the holes and then fix the screws. Please make sure it is fixed well, because you don't want your patient to fall off the operating table. And here you can adjust the angle of the head plate by this lever. Press it down, then adjust it at the point at the angle you need. Okay, now the head plate is done. Then it is the leg plate. There are 2 leg plates, and each of them detached with the mattress. And usually the doctors would apply it with the strap to fix the patient's leg. And it is fixed on the mattress is fixed on the leg plate by the velocity. And it is very easy to remove and fix up. So if you want to remove the leg plate, it is controlled by the screw as well. Here, loose it. Until you can take the pillar out easily. Here is the pillar to fix the leg plate. And when you need to put it back, just right here. And push it forward until it fits right into the holes. Then you fasten the screw. Fix the screw. Now it's done. And the leg plate is able to move in 2 directions. That means upwards, downwards, and outwards. Here, as I have shown you, and it is able to move outward for 90 degrees. And the upward and downward is controlled by this lever. Upward, 15 degrees. Downward, 90 degrees. Okay. Now let's move to the trolley, so I will show you the other parts. Here is the plate for the hands, and it is fixed to the operating table side rails by the clamps. It is very easy to detach and install. And after you have fixed it on the operating table, you should make sure it does not interfere with the side rails. So there is always a very small angle between the hand plate and the operating tabletop. Here is another one. And we shall fix it in the same way. And it is movable in the horizontal direction in 90 degrees and controlled by this lever. Next it is the bracket for the patient's shoulder. And it is fixed on the side rail by this part. Here you can just attach it on the side rail like this. Then fix the tongue into the pre-made dent, and you can adjust the direction by this screw. And here is the universal joint. It works the same way to the other one. One bracket with one fixation. Now, make sure you fix each screw tight enough. And here is the universal joint. Okay. Now the shoulder brackets are done. Next, it would be the anesthesia screen. And it is fixed by the same bracket here. And if it depends, the position of the anesthesia screen depends on the demand of the doctor, and they shall place it based on the patient's positions. Here I'm going to fix it on the middle of the side rail. Okay, now we tighten the screw. It is done. Next, it is the bracket for the patient's rest, and it is very similar to the shoulder bracket. And they look the same in some way, but it works differently. Here is a screw to control the direction of this lever, and here is a universal joint. And you can adjust the direction of this part by your demands. Okay. Nope, it doesn't work that way. Okay, here is another one. It works the same. Tighten the screws. Now loose this one, move it to the right direction. Okay, fix the joint. Next, it is the leg bracket to support the patient's leg. And here you can see the out shape of the leg bracket and the out shape of the fixation. This part is much heavier, so technically it is fixed on the side rail as well. And after you have put the bracket or fixation on the side rail, okay, now it won't move on. And then you should adjust the position of the universal fixation, and make sure the lever could go through here. Then fix it. Okay, here is another one. Oops. Okay, now adjust the direction. Put it in. And we should fix it tight. And here is the lever for the universal joint. So after you have loose this one, you can move the pipe in the way you want. Then fix it. Now it's done.